Hello, class. My name is George Switzer. I'm currently working on my Bachelor's of Information Technology and Security. Here's a short bio. I have worked in the IT field for over 23 years. I started off doing phone support for WordPerfect for DOS, and I've climbed my way up to my current position, which is a senior systems analyst for a large Midwestern utility. In this role, I'm a systems engineer, and I design ruggedized computer systems that are used in the field, bucket truck, service vehicles, that sort of a thing, work management systems. I enjoy outdoor activities with my family. We often camp, hunt, fish, anything outdoors you'll find us doing. I built my own car, completed it last year. It's a 1967 Ford Galaxy convertible. Primarily, I use it for taking my kids for ice cream, which of course makes a lot of smiles. I am completing my bachelor's this fall, and I will continue on into my master's in information technology. For my BITS program, graduate classes are required, and this is my first graduate class. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me, and have a wonderful evening.